Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Friday, the 1st of December. It's a new month. I hope everybody's doing well. This is our weekly recap video. It's been a very quiet week in the markets overall. There was lots of stuff to do. It was a good week from a trading perspective if you were trading names, but volume was very, very low all week. Yesterday we had some more, and today we broke into the upside, and the SPY put in S&P 500 joined the 52-week high club. So finally some movement there. You're going to notice the oscillators, though, got really hot today. 226 and 234. They can go hotter, but just realize we heated up quite a bit here. On the Qs, ready put a 52-week high in last recently here. Not as strong right now. They're giving those names a rest. The IWM broke out, and it's going to get its first, barring a hello. There we go. Barring a disastrous final 25 minutes, this is going to close well above the 200-day breaking out. The Dow also breaking out to a new 52-week high. Financials held in, and you saw some rotation. The financials were strong. We saw names like Boeing have a very big week, breaking out here as well. There are some names that had some great earnings, like Crowd. They got rewarded. Big move there. Salesforce, huge move. Look at this 2-day move on this one. Path, also big move on some of these names as they're moving up here. Bitcoin was strong this week. Names like Mara have woken up and are running. Coin has been in fuego for weeks now, still moving. Tesla had their Cybertruck event. We traded around that. Um, short term, not a needle mover, probably a year away or 2 years away from really significantly adding to their revenue stream, but still, finally out there and finally going into production. It's a good thing. Square continues to be strong, breaking to a new high here as well. And then we saw some weakness. Microsoft put an all-time high in on Wednesday, and here we are underneath the 8-day today. A little bit weaker. Google has had some weakness this week. Again, some profit taking in these names. Meta as well came down, just missed, got below the 21-day now for a couple sessions. Not a big deal. The semis as well. NVIDIA, again, coming down. I'm building a position in this one. 50 days, your next target to the downside then there has to break back above the 8-day. AMD has their event next week. That one's been relatively strong. A nice move in that one. If it can get back above the 8-day, I think it's going to try to run into it. Apple, which has also been teasing on breaking down here, continues to crash into the 8-day, but ultimately holding it every time into the close. It's still a nice consolidation pattern. I think it goes higher. I took a decent loss on this one this week because I got on my options, but we'll be looking to get back in when it breaks out. Bottom line, not much going on. Amazon, nice move, traded that one this week, sitting up here at a 52-week high as well. And the markets continue to act generally well. We're consolidated now. The question now is, do we get a move here into the end of the year, or do we get a little bit of a little pullback here, a corrective activity before the end of the year push? Historically, the first couple of weeks of December are tough. The last two are very bullish. So we'll see. Fed goes into the blackout starting today. After today, the Fed can't speak now for the next 2 weeks, and then we get the rate decision in a week and a half. Nobody's anticipating a hike. So with that said, I'm going to wish you guys a wonderful weekend, and I will catch you guys all bright and early in the room on Monday. Charts on Sunday morning.